In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva website template to Google Sites. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, let's start by heading over to Canva. Once you arrive on the Canva homepage, make sure you're logged in. If you haven't created an account yet, this would be a great time to do so. Having an account allows you to save your projects and access them anytime. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Canva home. Next, you'll want to click on Projects. Here, you'll find all the designs and templates you've been working on. Browse through your projects and select the one you wish to use as a website template. Once you've picked your project, look for the Share button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will present you with several options for sharing your project. Select the website option. Canva makes it incredibly easy to turn any design into a simple website by allowing it to be published directly as a web page. When you click on Publish, Canva will generate a unique link for your new web page. Make sure to copy this link as you'll need it in just a moment. Now, it's time to move on to Google Sites. Open Google Sites in your browser. If you're not already familiar with Google Sites, it's a user-friendly platform that lets you create and customize websites with minimal effort. Once you're on your Google Sites homepage, you'll want to locate and click on Insert from the menu on the right side of your screen. With a few clicks, you'll then select Embed. This function will allow you to insert your Canva web page into your Google site seamlessly. A pop-up box will appear asking you to embed by URL or by HTML code. Choose the option to embed by URL, and this is where you paste the link you previously copied from Canva. After pasting your link, just hit the Insert button. Your Canva design is now embedded in your Google site, and you can freely place it anywhere within your web page layout. This serves as a visual gateway for viewers, making your website dynamic and engaging with the creative touch added by Canva. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a Canva website template into your Google site. This method combines the creative design power of Canva with the robust website creation tools of Google Sites, allowing you to create a stunning website with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.